Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU5088. This is the 7-way trailer plug with a 10-foot cable with a transparent junction box. Let's check it out. Alright, so it comes boxed, labeled, and when you open it up, you have instructions in here on it. So we'll look at the instructions real quick. So, 7-way copper blade, heavy-duty plug, a 10-foot long cord, and so the red is going to be auxiliary, the black is going to be reverse, the green is going to be the right turn, stop. The blue is going to be electric brakes. The white will be the ground wire. The yellow will be the left turn and stop. And for the brown will be the running tail lights. So it comes with the grommets right here. So you can put them inside the junction box to make it waterproof. Heavy duty, really good plug here. The transparent box is really awesome. So you don't have to pop off the box to see if any wires are loose or anything. You can just see it all right there. Real heavy duty, standard wiring, good to go. 10-foot long cord, highly recommend it. We sell a ton of these to manufacturers and trailer builders and repair shops. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.